Think your home is smart? Think again. Most gadgets promise convenience but end up adding stress. Today, we're revealing the latest Amazon gadgets that actually solve real problems and make your life effortlessly better. If you love smart gadgets, hit subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and let's jump right in. You don't realize how outdated your home feels until you use this. The SwitchBot Hub to 2025 edition turns non-smart devices into smart ones instantly. Apps, heaters, fans, even old TVs control everything from your phone or voice. The new upgrade adds real-time temperature and humidity sensors with Matter support, meaning it works seamlessly with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home. No lag, no cloud dependency, just instant control. This is the kind of gadget that quietly upgrades your entire house without replacing anything you already own. Most security cameras watch. This one understands. The Eufy SoloCam S340 dual lens AI camera uses two lenses, one wide, one zoom to track people with insane clarity. It auto-follows movement, zooms in on faces, and records in full 3K resolution. No monthly fees. Solar-powered. Local AI detection. You get alerts only when something actually matters, not when a leaf moves. Set it once, forget it exists, and still feel protected 24/7. Your charging setup is wasting time every single day. The Ugreen Exode 300W GAN desktop charger fixes that instantly. This is not a charger, it's a power command center. 6 ports, 3 high-power USB-C outputs. Charge laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, and accessories simultaneously without slowing anything down. Real-time power distribution keeps everything safe and fast. One brick replaces 5 chargers and clears your desk in seconds. You think you know how much electricity you're using until this proves you wrong. The Emporia View Gen 3 Smart Energy Monitor installs directly in your breaker panel and shows real-time power usage for your entire home and individual appliances. You'll instantly see which devices are draining money and which habits are costing you more than you think. The app breaks everything down into simple visuals so even non-tech users understand it. This gadget doesn't look exciting, but it saves real money every month. Your lights shouldn't just turn on, they should react. The NanoLeaf Skylight modular panels bring dynamic ceiling lighting into 2025. These modular panels sync with music, gaming, movies, and daily routines. Morning light feels natural. Night lighting feels calm. Movie nights feel immersive. Everything is app-controlled, voice-controlled, and fully customizable. It's not just letting its atmosphere on demand. Your home knows when you're there. Without cameras, the Agra FP Wave presence sensor detects actual presence, not motion. That means lights don't turn off when you're sitting still. Automation becomes smart instead of annoying. Walk into a room, lights fade on. Sit down, temperature adjusts. Leave everything, powers down automatically. Privacy safe. No cameras. Just precision sensing that finally works the way smart homes should. You're breathing indoor air that's worse than outside and you don't even know it. The Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor Pro tracks fine particles, carbon monoxide, VOCs, humidity, and temperature in real time. It connects directly with Alexa routines, so purifiers and fans activate automatically when air quality drops. The new Pro model adds predictive alerts, warning you before conditions become unhealthy. Silent, accurate, and genuinely useful. Your desk is cluttered because it's not working for you. The FlexiSpot E7 Pro Plus standing desk adjusts height automatically, remembers positions, and includes built-in cable management with wireless charging. Switch from sitting to standing in seconds. No noise, no wobble. Just smooth movement that improves posture, energy, and focus without thinking about it. Most people waste money on smart gadgets that look impressive but do nothing. Long-term, the next devices actually change how your home works, and one of them solves a problem you probably didn't even realize you had. Your morning coffee routine just got way smarter with the Bemer Connected Petite 5 touchscreen coffee maker. This isn't a basic drip machine. It learns your preferences, lets you customize pre-infusion time, brew temperature, and strength via app control. and even schedules brews so your coffee is perfect when you wake up. The touchscreen interface is intuitive. The design is compact but powerful, and it integrates with Alexa for voice. Commands like brew my strong cup now, say goodbye to, inconsistent brews, and hello to. Cafe-level coffee at home every single day. Stop. Manually tracking package deliveries, the level home. Smart lock touch matter. Replaces your existing deadbolt and adds seamless access control with built-in activity logs. Secure touch access and proximity unlock. When you arrive home, it senses your phone and unlocks instantly without app tapping or fumbling for a key. The Matter standard ensures it integrates instantly with Alexa, Google Home, and HomeKit, and the auto-lock feature provides peace of mind without you lifting a finger. This lock isn't just smart, it feels predictive, securing your home before you even think about it. Your pet's routine just got a tech upgrade with the PetCube Bites to Light Interactive Feeder Plus camera. This sleek device lets you see, talk to, and feed your pet remotely via app with customizable portion sizes and schedules. The 108op camera streams live video day or night, and the motion alerts notify you when your pet enters or exits their space. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you won't miss a moment. It's part camera, part feeder, part peace of mind device, and way more fun than a basic pet cam. Spaces that feel boring instantly become interactive with the brilliant smart home control panel. This wall-mounted touchscreen becomes the nerve center of your house, combining lights, locks, climate, cameras, and routines all in one intuitive dashboard. With updated voice recognition and faster load times, you can activate a good morning scene that opens blinds, adjusts temperature, and plays your morning playlist all at once. For anyone with multiple smart devices, this panel cuts through confusion and centralizes. Control in one beautiful interface, put your health on. Display with the Withings Body Scan Smart. Scale. This next-gen scale does much more than weight. It measures heart rate, body composition, vascular age indicators, and even nerve health using medical-grade sensors. The companion app tracks trends and offers insights you can't get from a normal scale. Sync it with health apps and see the full picture of your well-being over time. It's not intrusive, it's not gimmicky, it's meaningful data you can actually use. Stop tripping over tangled wires and lost adapters. The native Union Dock wireless charging station for device powers up multiple phones, earbuds, smartwatches, and accessories at once with ultra-fast charging speeds, smart coil alignment, and LED indicators that fade when fully charged. Minimalist aluminum design and intelligent heat management keep everything safe and stylish. For desks, nightstands, or shared family spaces, this station eliminates clutter and organizes power in one clean sweep. Heavy lifting becomes effortless with the Black Plus Decker 20 volts max string trimmer plus edger combo kit. And yes, this counts as a gadget because the tech in battery performance, auto feed, and ergonomic balance makes yard work way smarter. Switch between trimmer and edger mode with tools on board, and the brushless motor delivers longer run times, quieter operation, and smoother cuts. Whether you use it weekly or when the grass overtakes the yard, this tool transforms lawn maintenance from chore to fast, painless task. Your sleep setup is outdated. This fixes it. Meet the 8 Sleep Pod Cover Ultra 2025. This isn't a mattress, it's a temperature-controlled sleep system that actively cools or heats your bed in real time based on your body signals. It tracks heart rate, breathing, sleep stages, and even snoring, then automatically adjusts temperature throughout the night so you stay in deep sleep longer. Dual zone control means both sides of the bed get personalized comfort. No fans, no noise. Just smarter sleep that adapts while you rest. This is what smart cleaning looks like in 2025. The Roborock S8 Max Ultra doesn't just vacuum and mop, it thinks. With AI obstacle recognition, it identifies cables, shoes, pet waste, and furniture in real time and avoids them effortlessly. The docking station washes the mop with hot water, dries it automatically, empties the dustbin, and refills clean water, meaning weeks of hands-free cleaning. The suction is insanely powerful, the navigation is precise, and the app lets you control rooms individually. This isn't a robot vacuum. It's automated house care. Your air might look clean, but it probably isn't. The Dyson Purifier Big Plus Quiet Formaldehyde monitors, captures, and destroys microscopic pollutants most purifiers miss. It removes allergens, pet dander, smoke, and even formaldehyde continuously while staying whisper quiet. The LCD screen shows real-time air quality data, and the app lets you monitor everything remotely. Unlike standard filters, this one doesn't degrade over time. It actually neutralizes harmful particles. You don't feel it working, you just breathe better. This doorbell doesn't just see visitors, it understands them. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro to 3D Motion upgrade uses radar-based motion detection to track movement paths before someone even reaches your door. You get accurate alerts, fewer false notifications, and crystal clear HD or video day or night. Two-way talk with noise cancellation means conversations stay clear, even with traffic nearby. Package detection alerts you the moment deliveries arrive. This isn't about security panic, it's about control and awareness. Typing fatigue ends here. The Logitech MX Mechanical Mini low-profile smart keyboard delivers tactile precision with quiet mechanical switches designed for long work sessions. It auto-switches between devices instantly, supports multiple operating systems, and adjusts backlighting based on ambient light. The low-profile design reduces wrist strain while keeping that satisfying mechanical feel. Pair it with your laptop, tablet, and desktop simultaneously. It's built for creators, coders, and anyone who types for hours without wanting hand pain. Your fridge shouldn't guess freshness. The Unover Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro Smart app-enabled keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer by removing air with exact pressure control. The app lets you choose modes for meat, vegetables, liquids, or sous vide prep. Built-in moisture detection prevents crushing delicate foods, and the double seal system stops leaks completely. Less waste, less freezer burn, more control over what you eat and how long it lasts. This desk light is smarter than most lamps. The bank screen bar halo to mounts on top of your monitor and eliminates eye strain by perfectly balancing front and back lighting. It adjusts brightness and color temperature automatically based on ambient light and screen content. The wireless controller lets you fine-tune everything with one hand. No glare, no reflections. Just clean, focused lighting that protects your eyes during long work or gaming sessions. This backpack isn't normal. The Peak Design Everyday Backpack Pro includes built-in device tracking, modular storage, and weatherproof materials designed for tech carry. Magnetic latches allow instant access, while internal dividers protect cameras, drones, laptops, and accessories without bulk. Hidden pockets secure valuables, and the ergonomic design keeps weight balanced. It's built for creators, travelers, and anyone carrying expensive gear daily. Your windows just got smart. The Ludgren Serena Smart Shades Gen 3 let you automate your blinds to open or close based on the time of day, sunlight, or your routines. Control it from your phone, voice assistant, or set schedules to protect privacy and reduce energy costs. Quiet motors ensure no disruption, and the precise positioning lets you stop shades exactly where you want. It's energy-saving, convenient, and brings a premium feel without a luxury price tag. Conclusion: all of these gadgets aren't just for show, they're designed to solve real problems. Save you time and make your life smarter, easier, and more fun. From upgrading your home setup to making everyday tasks effortless, each product on this list adds value in ways you didn't even know you needed. Whether it's boosting productivity, enhancing comfort, or just adding a little wow factor to your space, these tools are game changers. If you loved this video, hit that subscribe button, check out all the buy links in the description, and never miss another drop of the coolest, most innovative gadgets on Amazon. Your life is about to get a major upgrade, one gadget at a time.